In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pay using Bitcoin on runpod.io. So what you want to do, go to billing right here, and as you can see, there's a Bitcoin symbol. This is basically any crypto or anything like that. So you're gonna pick the amount of credit you want to add to your account. Okay, so let's say I want to add $10 worth of credit. Press pay with crypto. Press on this, and then with your phone you're gonna need to download the crypto.com app and scan the QR code using the camera. So I'm scanning the QR code right now. Okay, I scanned it, and this is basically like their wallet, right? And then you're gonna want to just press pay, hit the pay button, and yeah, that's basically it. You only have 10 minutes to do this, so make sure you do it quick. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.